What is up, you DAFTYS? So we're back with a new video. I know it's been a while. I'm working on something that'll be out in a couple of weeks, I hope. But I've got a live cop for you today, and I'm all sure you know what this is. It's the BOGO week, the bandana BOGO, and the hoodie, the bandana hoodie BOGO. I mean, you have to try for it, don't you? Live cop's probably not going to happen. I never usually cop, so probably not going to be any difference here. But we're going for the pink in the large because it just looks sick, and it's in kind of the middle scale. And all the votes that have been done, like blue and black are at the top and brown and yellow are kind of at the bottom, but I wanted to go for pink because the pink looks sick, as well as it's not too like far up or far down. So I hope it actually works out. I was checking my checkout time. I've got a checkout time of 6 seconds. It's probably not fast enough, but I mean, there's nothing else we can do except for get into it. So there's 3 minutes before the drop, so I'll see you guys like 30 seconds before the drop. Good luck. So it's 30 seconds to the drop, as you can see on the screen. I'm gonna put this over here. Oh, I'm panicking. Good. Come on. 20 seconds left. I might not speak much, but Denny at me for it. We got this. So we're on the sweatshirts tab. It's taking me a while to load up. This is good news. Love that. 7 seconds left. Come on, we've got this. 5, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Oh, slow load up time. Come on. Come on, Supreme. 1. Where is it? Why is it not showing up? Come on. Come on. Oh, I hate when it does this. Just need to keep refreshing until it shows up. This is the worst bit, when it just doesn't want to work. Come on. Oh, that's it, right. Come on. Oh, come on, it's so laggy. No, I clicked it. Oh, come on. Come on. If I'm lagging, everybody else is lagging. I've been kicked out of the shop. Nice. Come on. Check out now. What is going on? Come on. Why is it kicking me out when I go to check out? Come on. Don't play me like that. Come on, please. This is the most infuriating thing in the world. Come on. Let me in. It's been 2 minutes since it dropped. Come on. Website's so laggy. Look at all the bots probably cooking up right now, and I'm sitting here like this. Come on. Yes. It's calculated it in euros. Okay. Click process payment. Come on. There you go, it's calculated in pounds now. Still processing the payment. Processing, come on. Oh, I'm getting authenticated, come on. Yep, hurry up. Really? Still on this day. Come on. I don't think I've copped. I think they've sold it. I don't know how. I can't really check now though because I'm too para, but this is the worst bit. Processing, please wait. Processing. Come on. Such a slow checkout time as well. Like usually when the website lags, like it's not too bad. Like it's usually like still like a 30-second select time on BOGOs, but if it's true and it's still not went through, then it's like a 2-minute time, and that's horrible. But come on, don't do me like this, Supreme. Well, I mean, it's kind of stuck in the processing please wait page, so if I do get it, I'll just record for you guys, but I doubt it's going to happen, but I'm just going to sit here and wait for it, but, you know, see you soon. I'm back. So I said I was going to go for the pink one, but after a full 35 minutes of waiting, I have managed to cop the blue one in a size medium. It's not large, I wanted a large, but I mean I could always resell it or swap it for something else. But oh my god, yeah, if you look at the screen, holy, yes! For you saying I never cop, I have copped and I'm back. And I'll see you guys in 2 weeks or so with a new video that is going to be fuego. Please give this a like. Follow my Instagrams at Jack_Nisbet, Diabetus_shoes. Come on. It deserves it. Come on. That weight. Come on. Let me know how you guys done in the description below and please subscribe. I will appreciate it so much. See you in the next one. Peace.